Sean Air. So this is my bus, BarnaBus, little short bus, 4-window. Come on in if you want. Show you around. Through the screen there. So this is a little short window, short bus, 4-window. So I'm set up for the cold. So most of my windows are doubled. Miss D, that's Miss D. So my windows are doubled. I put reflectix in between them. So
that's a great idea.
And then I got moving blankets that snap over those. So it really set up for cold weather. It's all spray foamed. I've got the cubic mini wood stove, diesel heater, so several heat sources.
Yeah.
I think my windows are one of my unique things. And then my bathroom and my recirculating shower is kind of a little different. A few people doing that, but so then this door also telescopes and makes a full-size door, or it can come off and makes a table back there. So that's kind of a little bit unique.
Yeah, that's definitely unique.
So the recirc shower, it's got a switch that flips one way. You shower, it snaps up here, and then flip the switch the other way, it sucks it back out of the pan through filters back into the hot water tank. So that's kind of one of my unique things. That, and then this, I've got like 4-foot overhead storage.
Sure.
Don't see a whole lot of people do that. It's above the driver, so.
Well, it's a short bus. You got to make use of every cubic inch.
Yep. So I run 2 fridges. So most of the time I run that one as a freezer. And then as I get lower on food, I start cutting down. Then I switch this to fridge freezer combination.
Sure.
So when we leave, we usually pick up a lot of meat at home before we hit the road. So it's nice to have the 2 freezers.
Right. Yeah. Good idea.
Any other questions? Or
do you have solar?
I do. 400 watts is all.
Okay.
So AGM batteries, 240 amp hours. Not a lot of solar, but all I gotta run is my fridges.
Right. Yeah, I
12
mean,
volt for me.
I've got a full-size bus with 780 and 400 amp hours. Basically, it's running a refrigerator and a couple of lights.
A couple of LED lights, just take nothing.
And I have lights underneath the bus to keep the pack rats away. They're on 24 hours a day because they don't draw any power. So
my hot water tank is a residential 2.5 gallon, 110. So if I'm going to shower, I try to run the bus for a bit.
Sure.
Run that on my inverter.
Yep.
But because that's a big power draw. So slat system for the bed, and then the couch just flips over, makes a full-size bed. It's made all the time.
Right.
So we don't have to make a bed. I mean, the bedding's on it. When you flip it over, it's made.
Yep. Very nice. Well, thank you for the tour.
Thank you. Pleased to meet you.